Okay, so based off this title, I grew up without having my own room, and I've always wanted my own room, right? So I've been sharing a room with my brother this whole time. I'm 20 years old, and I sleep on a twin-size bed. So what this video is gonna be about is like I'm building my own room basically, all right? The first thing we had to do was trim the tree, right? We were gonna hire somebody, but that shit would have cost a band, and I'm not gonna pay $1,000 if I could do that shit myself. So my grandpa gave me this stick with a big ass machete on top of it, and I just started cutting that shit. I shouldn't do that hand gesture. I don't know what that is, but after we had to cut the tree, I don't know how to build a shed, so we went to this place called Tough Shed, and what they had to do was did their measurements. You need concrete for this, and they put it on this extra concrete we had laying around. After that, these two guys built this whole shed just by themselves. It looks great. It's really tall. Next thing we had to do was add electricity. I can't be in there without electrical because I need electricity in my shit. So we hired an electrician, and he ran a wire, added lights, outlets, like switches, and all that stuff. The next thing we had to do was paint it. Somebody help me, yeah. Okay, so for this wall, we used the color Hot Stone. You can get it at Lowe's or something. And this took over like 3 days to paint, and it damn near took up a lot of paint, to be honest. Can't even lie. But yeah. Okay, for the trim, which is like the top part, we use like this dark espresso color. I think we also got it at Lowe's, but this also took a couple days to paint, but yeah. Staying alive, staying alive, staying alive. Insulation for these next two parts, they're very optional. You could caulk the edges so the air doesn't keep moving in and out. If you want to really just trap it in there, I guess. I'm not really sure, but it just helps it out, my mom said. After you're done with that, you just want to use your finger to seal it. You could use a tool, but using your finger is a whole lot easier. And just mix it all in there. Just make sure everything's all sealed tight, and you should end up with something like this. And then we added like this bug repellent so bugs ain't crawling in my shit. I just seen a big ass roach on it, so we just got it. Okay, for some insulation, we use these. We got them at Lowe's, but we had to cut them out to like fit perfectly. So like after you put in one, you don't want to squeeze it in too tight because that's how it loses its R value. So what you want to do is like get it in there, but like use a knife to like kind of pop it back out. And like for the cords that are in the way, you want to cut like a little piece so it could smooth, like slide right in there, and just fill up your whole wall with insulation basically. Okay, so this is not the final review, but this is what we have left so far. We're not done. We're probably going to pick back up on the weekends because those are the days we can only work on it, but it's actually looking really great. I like it a lot. This is what we have so far. Tell me what you guys think. Obviously, as I was painting this, some paint got right here, but I'm going to fix it up. Just haven't done it yet. I just want to keep you guys updated what I've been up to lately. But yeah, this is gonna be my room. If you guys got any ideas, leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think, what I should add. I'm probably gonna like do some cool shit on the outside because this ain't acceptable. This ain't acceptable. Okay, I would say this is like an average room size, which is pretty perfect, but this shed is really tall. Like me standing next to it is like really long. I'm like 5'10", 5'11", but I have like a lot of height space. All right, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, @Cabrera. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.